Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 has gone offline or stopped syncing schedules because it lost its internet connection, don't worry. This is a common issue that can happen after changing your router, updating network settings, or experiencing a temporary interruption. When the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 isn't connected to Wi Fi, calendar events and family updates may no longer appear correctly. The good news is that reconnecting the device is usually quick and straightforward. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps that may help restore the Wi-Fi connection on your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 and get everything syncing normally again. Try these. Step 1. Make sure your wireless network is working properly before attempting to reconnect the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. Step 2. Open the settings menu on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 and navigate to the Wi-Fi section. Step 3. Select the correct wireless network from the list displayed on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. Step 4. Enter the password carefully on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 and wait for the connection process to complete. Step 5. Restart the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 if the device still shows an offline status after reconnecting. Step 6. Verify that the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is back online and syncing events normally once again.